this amazing product. And as I always tell you, the product that catches the eye is the one that sells well. Whether it's on Etsy or Amazon, these are the products that bring in good profit. And just like in all my videos, I teach you exactly how to design products like these easily and how to become really good at selling on Etsy, Amazon, or any other platform. But before we start designing this product together, let's first take a closer look and analyze it carefully to see how much it actually makes. When we scroll up, we'll see this product is making sales right now. At the time I'm recording this video, the seller has priced it at $1.71. If we scroll down a little more, we'll find that the seller clearly states that this is a digital product. And this is the most important part, because what we sell here are digital products that generate passive income over time. Let's scroll a bit into the product description so we can get a better idea of what it's all about. This product is called the Sick Teddy Counting Activity, and it's designed to make learning numbers fun and hands-on for preschool and kindergarten kids. Basically, children get a cute teddy bear with numbered spots from 1 to 10, along with bandages that have dots on them. The idea is simple. They count the dots on each bandage and match it to the teddy's number to heal it. It also suggests a fun way to use it. You can print, laminate, and cut everything out, and even hide the bandages in a sensory bin so the kids can search for them and match them back, which makes it extra engaging. It's not just cute, it actually helps kids build number recognition, counting fluency, and fine motor skills while they play. Plus, it encourages imaginative play, like setting up a little teddy bear hospital. And what's really nice is that all the reviews are recent, and the seller has a solid 5-star rating. That's always a great sign. Let's jump quickly to the analytics site to see how much this product has earned so far. It's sold 443 times and made about $664 from a 2-page product only. Just imagine if you design one product like this every day or every 2 days and upload it to Etsy. After a while, your daily sales can become very impressive. That's what I love about digital products. They sell for you while you sleep. Before we move on to the design part, don't forget to follow me, hit that like button, and leave a comment on this video. That really helps me keep teaching you how to design these easy products step by step. Now let's jump right into Canva. We're going to create a new design with the size 8.5 by 11 inches. First, let me explain the structure of this product. It's made up of just 2 pages. The first page contains the sick teddy bear with 10 medical bandages, each with a number. The second page has the bandages with dots, which kids will cut out and match with the numbers on the teddy. This activity helps kids develop scissor skills, hand control, number recognition from 1 to 10, and counting, all in a fun, playful way. Honestly, if I were the buyer, I'd definitely get this for my kids. This is what I always tell you. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes. Ask, would I buy this for my child? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and design it. If you're serious about selling digital products online on platforms like Etsy or Amazon, my team and I have created a special bundle of 80 activity books. These books are carefully designed and would normally take months to finish if you worked on them alone. Each book contains around 30 pages, designed in simple black and white for easy printing and low costs. And the best part? You won't just get PDF files. You'll get the original Canva files so you can edit them however you like. Trust me, this bundle will save you months of hard work and years of trial and error. I'm offering a 20% discount for the first 10 people who buy using the code MO20. You'll find the link in the pinned comment. When you enter the code in the coupon box, it will automatically apply the discount. So hurry up and grab it. All right, let's move on quickly to designing this product. First, we'll design page 1 together. Go to Elements on Canva's left panel and search for Bear with Bandage. You'll find tons of cute images. I'll pick one as an example and enlarge it to fill the page. Then we'll search for bandage. Pick a bandage image you like. Since we're teaching numbers 1 to 10, we'll duplicate this bandage 10 times and place them nicely across the teddy's body. This step always makes me smile, because the teddy looks so funny and cute with all those bandages. Next, we'll add the numbers. Press T on your keyboard to add text. Type 1, adjust its size to fit on the bandage, and place it exactly in the center. Then duplicate it, change to 2, and place it on the next bandage. Repeat this process until you have numbers from 1 to 10 on all 10 bandages. I'll speed up this step so we don't waste your time. But remember, it's best to design with me as you watch the video. Don't just watch and come back later. Design along so you don't forget the steps. Once the numbers are done, we'll duplicate the entire first page and move to page 2. We'll delete the teddy image, leaving only the bandages. Then we'll go back to page 1 and change all the bandages on the teddy to white. These white spaces represent where kids will glue the matching bandages with dots. On page 2, we'll replace the numbers with dots. For example, a bandage with the number 5 on page 1 will have a matching bandage with 5 dots on page 2. Make sure not to change the bandage sizes so they match perfectly when printed. Let's replace the numbers one by one. Delete the number 1 and add 1 dot in the center. Delete number 2 and add 2 dots. And so on up to number 10. If you want to adjust spacing between dots, go to Text Advanced Settings on top. It's super easy to align them perfectly. After finishing all the dots, you'll notice the bandages are a bit messy, so let's align them horizontally with nice spacing to make cutting easier for the kids. Now, we'll add dotted cutting lines around the bandages. Go to Elements again, choose a rounded rectangle shape, make it transparent, and add a 1 pixel stroke. Place it carefully around the bandage. then duplicate it for each bandage. This will create neat cutting guides so kids can cut them out easily with scissors. When you look at the full page now, it looks so clean and well organized. A child can simply cut the bandage with one dot and stick it on the teddy with number 1, and so on. And that's it. We've designed this amazing product in just a few minutes. But remember, don't just copy what I showed you. Be creative. You can use different animals, not just the teddy bear. For example, instead of one animal, create 5. You can even teach numbers from 1 to 20 and sell it for $5 or more. Let's do this quickly with another example. Go to Elements, search for Dog with Bandage. Pick a cute dog image, enlarge it, copy one bandage from the second page, place it on the dog, then duplicate it 10 times. Add numbers from 1 to 10, just like we did with the teddy. Then copy this page, delete the dog for the second page, change the bandages to white on page 1, and turn the numbers into dots on page 2. Arrange them neatly, add the dotted cutting lines, and that's it. And now you have another product ready to sell, a simple activity that can make real sales over and over again. So, start designing your own versions today. Add your creativity, test different animals, numbers, or colors, and launch your product. Remember, success in digital products comes from consistency and smart ideas. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy product design tutorials. Let's keep creating together, and I'll see you in the next one.